Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use StockX bids and asks and place offers. So first things first, StockX operates as a live anonymous marketplace where buyers place bids, maximum price willing to pay, and sellers list asks, so minimum price willing to accept. A sale occurs when a buyer's bid matches a seller's ask or a buyer clicks on buy now for the lowest ask. StockX also allows you to set your own price, which stays active for a chosen duration, so 1 to 30 days. So in order to go ahead and do that, all you need to do is select a product first. Now, all you need to do is simply um, go ahead and click on the lowest ask, click on buy now. You can simply go ahead and choose the price right over here, and you can also click on place a bid and then enter the amount that you're willing to pay. And you can also put a bid expiry like 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, how quick you want it. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.